right, time now for a bit of food. Chris Prosperi from Metro Beast in Simsbury is here.
And he's showing us how to make one of my favorite things. If I go to a Thai restaurant, I always want the pad Thai, but you're showing us how we can make it at home. And it also gives you a little option to make it a little healthier if you want.
It can be healthier because the only thing we were talking, right, is the only thing that's a little heavy is the rice noodles, right, carbs.
Okay.
But you can add like a 1/16 of the noodles and just up it with
more
like
bean sprouts
and add broccoli, right? So think about what's in your fridge. You can add all kinds of things.
I'm afraid of this.
All right, so we're gonna get you through this. You ready? So this is equal parts sugar, vinegar, and water, right? And to that we add.
Wait, so would you, if you're at home, like a cup of each?
Yeah, and you have the recipe, so you can find it on your website, right?
Okay.
So, and then this is chili sauce, and you can get this in most supermarkets now.
Okay.
Right. So look for Ma Ploy, and then this is basically our pad Thai sauce, right? Now, I give you the recipe to use the whole bottle because I'm one of those people that hates having like half a bottle in your fridge, and you know it's going to sit there for 6 years, and then you're going to end up throwing it away. So you make the whole sauce. I'm telling you, make this once, and you're going to be using it.
So you can keep the sauce and
sauce,
then make more
it'll
meals.
stay a long time. All right, then it gets this ingredient, which we know you love.
Fish sauce.
Fish sauce. Okay.
So Scott's afraid of fish sauce.
Okay, because and for good reason. Give it a little. Yeah, for good reason.
I
you don't even want to. You don't even want to go there.
Isn't it like, it's like soy sauce kind
It's
of.
like soy sauce. It's what they use for
It's
salt.
like bad soy sauce.
It's like bad sauce. Okay, but there is such a little bit in this sauce, right?
A tiny bit.
that
It's salt. It's just salt.
I'm telling you, you're not even going to taste it.
Could you use soy sauce instead?
You could totally use soy sauce. In Asian markets now, you can find a vegan one, and for vegan customers, we make a vegan pad Thai where it's made with mushrooms. So same kind of method, but made with mushrooms instead of fish. And you probably like that.
Yeah.
All right, so you ready? So we have some chicken sauteing,
Yep.
right? Then we're gonna add a whipped egg to it.
Okay, so that's what you get at the restaurant. That's what you're seeing, the little egg bits.
Yeah,
Okay.
and that gives you your protein. Again, if you want to lighten it up, again, all this stuff can be done without, right? If you want it vegetarian, you would just start with some broccoli, some carrots,
Right.
Make it whatever
And
it
the
is.
Asians, they cook with egg all the time.
All
we,
the time.
we think of it only
It's
as breakfast,
but it's a good way to get protein, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
yeah.
All right, so we mix that in there. Then,
And you
so,
didn't coat the chicken first. You cooked the chicken
no,
first, and
just-
then you started
Yeah,
it.
exactly. And then add the egg, and you're going to cook the egg all the way through. And then we're going to add a little bit. And this is the thing: you don't add a lot of this sauce, right? And that's why when you saw me put a 1/4 cup in here, right? This is enough. That's going to make like tons of pad Thais, right?
Okay.
That's why I say make the whole batch.
Put it in
You'll
a mason
use it,
jar, you can
base
keep
it
it in the
a mason
fridge for a
jar,
long
put it in
time?
your fridge, right? Now we're going to add our rice noodles. Now these rice noodles, right? You can get these in the supermarket now too, right?
And these cook in like 2 seconds,
Yeah,
right?
I even cheat a little bit. I soak them in warm water,
Oh,
so they
okay.
get really soft. So you don't have to, but it goes a lot faster.
Okay.
Right? And then all you do is keep mixing this. Then we'll grab our tongs.
sorry.
We're gonna finish it with bean sprouts. Now, most people add like more noodles than bean sprouts. I'm the opposite.
And the bean
I
sprouts
add
make it
more
crunchy.
bean sprouts because
Yeah.
I love that flavor and that crunch.
Is that going to cook down? Or?
It's going to cook down, but you're not going to cook it down too much. You still want it to be like
Kinda raw and crunchy
Yeah,
with the
like raw and
peanuts.
crunchy, and you're going to see it's just going to soak it all up, right? And some of the liquid out of the bean sprouts are going to go into the pad Thai, right? We're going to hit our power boost.
This is so not hard. I don't know why I thought pad Thai would be
No,
really
it's
hard.
so easy.
That you could
We
only get it at a
finish with-
restaurant.
we finish it with scallions. You can use chives. You don't even have to add that, right?
Peanuts?
And then, then you love that, right? And then on top,
Oh, the peanuts.
Crushed
and again,
peanuts.
if you're allergic to peanuts, don't use peanuts, right?
I love the
cool
peanuts.
thing is about the flavor of the sweet and sour, right? And a little bit of salt from the fish sauce.
Okay.
And that's what makes it magic.
And now lime.
And then squeeze of lime. And I'm telling you, so go ahead.
All right,
You gonna try
Scott,
it?
you're going to try it too.
Come on, Scott, get in here. You
So
can do it.
That one?
No, go ahead. You can share with her.
Okay.
All right, you can do it.
Oh, you have your
you
own.
can
Eat
clean
from the
fork.
other
Go ahead.
side.
Yeah, eat from the other
They're so
side.
delicious.
And
Get
just
some
tell
of those
me-
bean
Yeah,
sprouts.
and get some of that lime on there, right? And then tell me if you taste fish. Be honest, right? Do you taste a lot of fish sauce in there? Because it's the teeniest bit.
It's delicious.
like having salt,
No,
right?
I don't taste it.
Yeah. But this is the thing. We have made this recipe without the fish sauce, and something's missing. That's why I say
I think
this
if
thing
you
is
love
that
pad Thai,
magic
you're gonna love this
ingredient.
recipe.
I think it's very good.
Oh, good. Okay.
Yeah. No, seriously.
Yeah. So you would order pad Thai at Metro Beast anyway, at least the way they do it.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Okay.
a lot of places use a little too much, but you don't
Oh,
have to.
it's boiling.
Oh, boiling.
Okay.
Here we go.
All right. Well, then you can go visit Metro Beast in Simsbury.
That's okay. I always like to leave a little mark.
Give us the new address.
690 Hot Meadow Street. We're right down the street from the first one and right down the street from the second one.
Love it. Okay.
It's the third incarnation of Metro Beast. Thank you so much, Chris. We appreciate you
you.
being here.
All right. Thanks for being here, everyone. The Eyewitness News at 4:30 is coming up next.
All right. Can I try a little bit more?
Yeah,
Is that the same thing?
That's the same thing.
You want your own?
Yeah.